Hi there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to send money on Wise using just an email address. So just open up your Wise account and click on send. And from this menu, it'll ask you for the recipient. Since you only have the email address, you can directly type that in to the search box right up top. So once you found your recipient, just click on it. And then from this menu, you can put in the amount that you want to send to your recipient. You could also change the currencies if you want to. Let's change that to US dollars. And if it's a different currency between the one that you're sending and that they're going to be receiving, you will see a conversion rate at the top right. But for this one, we're just going to send in US dollars and maybe put in 150. Once you click done, it'll tell you how much your recipient is going to get minus the taxes and fees. You can also change what account you're going to be used to pay this amount with. You could either use your Wise balance, a bank account, or even your debit or credit card. You could also schedule the transaction. Earliest this will arrive is Tuesday at 1 a.m. But if you want to schedule that to a later date, you can do so by clicking on the schedule button right there. You could also see the breakdown of the taxes and fees by clicking on this option. And once you're happy with all this information, just click on continue, and then the amount would automatically be sent to that Wise account email holder. So that's how easy it is to send money using Wise using only an email address.